belong.
Hi and welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you my first decluttering and organization video of the new year. I have declared January to be the month of decluttering, and along with my weekly cleaning videos, I have 4 decluttering videos to share with you that I hope will motivate and inspire you to declutter and organize with me. If you're new here, my name is Jenny and I'm a mom of 3 from Louisiana. I believe we all face similar struggles as we try to balance everything life throws at us. My hope is to create motivating and helpful content that empowers us to face these struggles together. The first thing I always do when I am decluttering and organizing a space is just to clear it out. That way I can clean where I need to clean and also visualize where everything is going to go.
To seek shelter, everyone's free, and the best they can be. Tall grass sing songs and trees play a symphony. Ooh, imagine what we would do. Happy days be our guest.
And this is my table leaf to my dining table, and I'm just going to be storing it up high so that it'll be out of the way. And I'm just giving these bikes a quick clean off before I hang them on the wall. The sky was gray, but it felt so beautiful out here. It was 65 degrees and dry and not humid like it normally is in Louisiana, and I was just loving being out here and feeling the cool breeze. And I'm just making sure to get these hooks into the studs in the wall so that they will be strong enough to hold up these bikes. I'm only hanging the bikes about 1 inch off the ground, and so if they fall, they're not going to get super damaged or anything, but I just want to make sure that they're going to hold, and so far they've been holding up really well.
Happy days manifest. Let's stand together. Put a smile on our faces. Fill us up with your grace and make us better. Happy days be our guest.
This is just a very bulky and heavy file cabinet that we use to store long-term paperwork, and so I'm just getting that out of the way and against the wall. And next to it is the seat from our van that was taken out that we have to keep here, so I just keep a cover on it so it doesn't get dusty.
Make us better.
And of course the baby has to have his little bicycle too, so he has a little starter tricycle. And here I'm going to hang this bike pump up onto the wall as well.
The brightest sky I ever.
One side is complete, and now it's time to work on the other side. So my goal was to clear out some of this garage clutter, dust off whatever's left, and then organize it for the new year. So when I was finished, an interesting thing happened. I felt so much calmer and happier. My mind felt at ease. I'm a curious person by nature, so I did some research and I uncovered some amazing information about how your brain actually changes when you declutter. I decided I'm gonna write a blog about this because it was so interesting. It will be my very first blog post on my brand new website. But for now, I have to get back to decluttering. Now these white cubbies that you see on the wall, these were used in my kids' playroom back in our old house. And when we moved into the new house, I wasn't sure what to do with them. I didn't want to throw them away. So I went ahead and just installed them in my garage. And I actually just used them as a place to store decor. So I have year-round decor, and a lot of it is neutral. And then I also have like my seasonal decor. And it just makes it so much easier to change out seasonal decor, and I don't have to go rummage through the bins and wrap and rewrap things so that they don't break. Everything just slides into the cubby, and it's just a really nice way for me to store my decor items.
Don't scare you too much, babe. I wish to flatter, not alienate. Since I met you, my life's like a train, running smooth. I've been made for you. And when no one is listening, I confess, I let you in on everything.
And of course, while I'm getting my hands on everything anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and clean everything off, make sure it's dust free, and that way it goes back on the shelf clean.
The fact that I'm obsessed with you.
And this is a little sentimental item that my mom made for me when I was born for my first Easter, and it has a little inscription on the back, Happy Easter Jenny, 1979, so I will always keep that. Some of these decor items I haven't used in a few years, and so I'm going to go ahead and put them in a donation bin in case anyone else can use them.
I confess, I let you in on everything, even the fact that I'm obsessed with you. And when no one is listening, I confess, I let you in on everything.
And you'll see me kind of rearranging things as I go because I'm trying to make sure everything fits into its proper column. I have about 3 columns set aside for each season, and they go from left to right. And so I'm starting with spring, and then I have summer, and then fall, and then winter, and they each get like 2 or 3 rows. And so I'm just making sure that they all fit in the right row, and that's totally unnecessary, but that's just something that I would do. But this video will be a 2-part series, so you're watching part 1 right now, and then part 2 I will release in a couple of days, and that's where I tackle the other side of my garage, where I keep all my storage bins.
And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within.
And I'm just cleaning with my go-to favorite cleaning product for moms, which is just a baby wipe. So I kind of buy the nicer ones for Alex that are the more sensitive ones, and then I buy the really cheap ones in bulk, and then I use those to clean. So I'm just cleaning out all these cubbies with a baby wipe. And here I am boxing up whatever I'm going to give to the donation site.
The other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
And that blue bag hanging up right there to the left is what we call our bag of bags. And that is just where we keep like all the extra bags, you know, Walmart bags or any kind of shopping bags that we like to keep. And that's where we store them. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you're subscribed to this channel so you don't miss part 2, which is coming out in just a couple of days. I don't want you to miss any motivation for the new year. I hope this video motivated you to get a space in your home decluttered and cleaned and organized for this brand new year. Thank you again. Y'all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one.
Beyond gravel, beyond